Hi, morning everyone. Are you willing to find encouragement in the Lord? Sometimes we get so disappointed, disgruntled, so unhappy that we're just not willing to be comforted. We're not willing to be encouraged. When somebody gives a testimony, we feel like, oh, well, good for you. It's never happened for me. I tried that you said you did, but it never worked for me. So, like, nothing is working for me. If you choose to rather receive that encouragement, you open up a world of opportunities for yourself because now your mind starts to see the possibilities that can make things work out for you. So I just wanted to say don't be stubborn, don't refuse to be encouraged in whatever thing that you're going through, and decide that other people's testimonies are testament that you're also going to get your miracle.